pfSense is an open source firewall, a router platform that offers a wide range of features and capabilities designed to enhance network security and performance. Here are some of the key features of pfSense. pfSense provides advanced firewall capabilities including stateful packet inspection, packet filtering, and application layer filtering. With customizable rule sets, you can control traffic flow, block unwanted connections, and protect your network from unauthorized access, whether it is internal or external. pfSense supports various VPN protocols including IPsec, OpenVPN, L2TP, allowing you to establish secure connection between remote sites, mobile users, and partners. pfSense includes built-in intrusion detection and prevention system to prevent network compromises. pfSense offers traffic shaping and quality of service capabilities to prioritize network traffic based on the predefined rules and policies. By allocating bandwidth resources efficiency, pfSense optimizes the network performance, minimizes latency, and ensures consistent user experience for critical applications. pfSense supports the deployment of proxy servers such as Squid and SquidGuard for content filtering, caching, and web access control. Proxy server functionality enables organizations to enforce internet usage policies, block malicious websites, and improve browsing performance. pfSense allows to configure high availability setups using CARP, which is Common Address Redundancy Protocol for failover and redundancy. High availability configuration ensures uninterrupted network connectivity and service availability by automatically switching traffic in case of primary device failure. pfSense includes a captive portal feature for managing guest access to the network, which will help you to enforce terms of service agreements and control internet access for visitors, guests, and temporary users. pfSense offers comprehensive logging, reporting, and monitoring capabilities to track network activities, identify security incidents, and generate actionable insights with real-time alerts, historical data analysis, and graphical reporting tools. Administrators can effectively manage and troubleshoot network issues. pfSense features package management system that allows you to extend functionality with additional software on just click. So these additional software and modules enable you to add additional packages of your choice. You can install packages for enhanced security, network monitoring, DNS service, and more. pfSense is a feature-rich firewall and router platform that provides robust security, flexibility, and scalability for the network of all sizes. With its extensive features and capabilities, pfSense empowers organizations to build secure, high-performance network infrastructure tailored to their unique needs and requirements.